The story of General Magic may have happened many years ago, but the core lessons about what it means to be a founder and what it means to have a vision and bring that vision to life are timeless. And those are lessons that anybody who's looking to start a business can both learn from and be inspired by. So yesterday in my course, we used the General Magic movie as a teaching case. So we brought together 85 MBA students who are curious about what it means to be a founder. And what we saw yesterday in our discussion about General Magic was the students responding very viscerally to the emotions of the team members. But maybe more importantly, they were also able to see and understand how those individuals moved forward over time. So they could hear the lessons that they learned from their experience at General Magic, and they could hear about the ways that those people took those lessons and then continued to move forward.
The question of why General Magic failed is a really complicated question. The question of whether it failed is a really complicated question. And that's what I love most about the film, is it takes a complicated situation and it doesn't mask the complexity.
It's everything. It's inspiring, it's heart-wrenching, it's surprising, it's dazzling, and it's so relevant.
I could teach almost an entire course on entrepreneurship around the film. You can teach about team, you can teach about product, you can teach about failure, you can teach about leadership.
This is this amazing company you've never heard of that launched a ton of careers that you have heard of.
I wanted to see more of the film. Like I wish there were like a couple more hours. I could have dug into some stories in that film for like days on end. But as a founder particularly, I found it really useful.
I think the General Magic movie just brings a whole different perspective and a look at a really powerful story that has truly transformed all of the technologies that we use today.
A dream would be if you got 5 class sessions, because we can keep going with this film.